The music fraternity has been plunged into mourning after the passing of Calypso singer, explainer. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Calypsonian Winston explainer Henry has passed away. Henry passed away on Friday morning. He was aged 74 years old. The Trinidad and Tobago Unified Calypsonian Organization, which represents over 600 practicing artists in the entertainment industry, confirmed Henry's passing in a Facebook post. It is with great sadness that we announce the passing of composer Calypso extraordinaire, icon and father Winston Explainer Henry, who departed this life today, the 7th of October 2022, the organization said. No more details surrounding his passing was released up to the publication time of this report. Explainer started singing Calypso in 1969 and got his breakthrough when he joined with top producer Ralston Charles, who produced hits such as Rasmus and Lorraine, which made it to number 35 on the British charts. A father of three, Explainer was affectionately dubbed the Messenger, who because of his composing style expressed the ills of society and oppression of the poor. This was according to an official post. In 2018, he was the recipient of the Hummingbird Award, which he got a gold medal at the National Award for his contribution to culture. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.